Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you having problem where you need to find fuses relays for the rear SAM module on Mercedes guys, GLC 4th generation. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics until you watch that video. Having electrical problems with your Mercedes could indicate problems with the rear SAM module. Even from SAM module, we have the video on the channel about that as well. But we'll explain where you can find these main fuses, relays. Then we'll explain, guys, okay, we'll share the links in the description of the video below if you need to buy any replacement parts and tools. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, while we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The rear SAM module fuses relays come to show you guys where you can expect to find them on that generation Mercedes GLC. What we guys need to do, we need to open the trunk first. When you open the trunk, the cover on the bottom, you need to lift it up, and right underneath is storage space, right? But right here you see that's a flap that you can open, and when you open that flap, you're going to find the main trunk fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, guys, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. First fuse that you need to check, guys, is fuse number 450, that little bitty fuse, but that's super important fuse, guys, that you need to check right here. Next, you need to check fuse number 465. We're talking about this fuse right here. But you're not done. You need to check 466 as well. These are the main fuses and that one here as well. You don't have relays, guys. But what we will recommend, okay, if you still have problems with it, check fuses, okay, the pre-fuse boxes on your Mercedes. If you don't know where the pre-fuse boxes are located, we have a video on the channel about that. You have many mega fuses that supply power to the different control modules as well. So check those, they're hidden, okay. One is under the hood, one is actually inside the car. Or if you don't know where they're located, the video will be on the channel. Check it out. Our mission is to save you as much money as we can. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have 2 different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.